What's up, everyone? Matt here. So I'm just playing around with an app that I'm building right now. And yeah, I'm pretty jacked because automation is awesome. Check this out. So I'm building a SLA ticketing system, right? So I've got this whole process chain that I need to kick off from when a new ticket is created, right? We need to notify some people. We need to notify some admin people, maybe if they want to know. And then after some time, right? We got to wait X amount of time. After that, then if the thing is still open, then it needs to be escalated to the next level up. And then that kicks off a whole level thing, a whole chain of events. Automation is awesome. Oh man, check this. So on the ticket submit, right? So when a new ticket is created, the first thing we do is notify the people who are in charge for whatever escalating tier that it starts on. We've got some on deck emails for people that are logged into the system, right? So we send an email to them saying, yo, you got a new ticket. Then we ask, well, do the admin people want to know? Do they want a breadcrumb? If they do, we send them a little breadcrumb saying, yo, we got a new ticket. Here you go. Then we wait. We wait for a duration that's as long as the starting tier's escalation period, right? So I'm not hard coding anything. It's a value from a record that somebody created. Like they created, I've got 5 escalation tiers and each one of them has a duration of however long. And so this thing pulls whatever tier this ticket is currently sitting on, which is like the first one, right? And it says, how long should this thing be? How long should we wait? What's the first tier? Whatever. I got it set to 5 minutes because I wanted to see that's the shortest you can have things for the wait on automation. And I'm trying to test it. I want to see if it can go real fast. So yeah, so it pulls that in and it waits. After that, then it says, is the ticket still open? If it is, okay, then we need to escalate it. So we create a record in the escalation table. So I've got a ticket table and then a child table to that. That's the escalations, right? So it starts off like no escalation, and then we start creating escalation records, getting higher and higher through the escalation tiers that the users have defined, right? And again, it's arbitrary number. It's a table. You put in 2, 5, 1, whatever you want. So we create the new escalation ticket. Now that kicks off. So that's the end of that automation. Then that kicks off this escalation ticket automation. So when there's a new escalation ticket, first thing we do is notify the people that are on deck for that escalation tier. And then if the admins want some breadcrumbs, we send them a breadcrumb. And then we wait. Then we check to see, is this the last tier in the system? Because if it's the last tier in the system, you can't go forward anymore. You need to notify somebody to say, hey, yo, whoa, this thing's reached the end of the chain. So if it's the last thing on the chain, we notify the admins. Warning, tickets reach the maximum escalation tier. So if it's not the last escalation tier, then we wait the time frame. Again, we do the same thing again, right? And then after the time frame, then we check, is the ticket still open? If the ticket is open, then we escalate again, which just does the exact same thing that we just went through. It kicks off the same process over again. And it's not like a duplication of things because it's an entirely different record, right? So the first automation on the ticket table kicks off that whole thing. And then an automation kicks off. And then that one kind of just keeps looping through things until there's no more escalation tiers. Automation is awesome. Automation is awesome. Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. Make sure you give it a like and a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. It really helps the channel with all the algorithm stuff that's going on I'm trying to build. Also, if you really want to show your love, you can head on over to patreon.com/MultiTech. There's some goodies over there. It's $10 a month. I got a lot of good stuff going on over there. Check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the community.